1st November 2011, the world's population reaches 7 billion. The world's largest staple food are wheat and rice. Over 450 million tons of rice is produced annually, feeding the world's most dense population centers in Asia and other parts of the world. Rice was first domesticated in the region of the Yangtze River Valley in China. In the late 3rd millennium BC, there was a rapid expansion of rice cultivation into mainland Southeast Asia and westwards across India and Nepal. Rice cultivation started in the Indo-Gangetic plains around 3000 to 2500 BC. It then spread to all the fertile alluvial plains watered by rivers. Today, the world might produce over 450 million tons of rice, but there is one queen, a variety of rice that is barely 1% of the world's production: Basmati. The name Basmati originates from Sanskrit's Vasumati, that translates as full of fragrance. Basmati has a fragrance akin to the flower, Pandanus fascicularis, popularly known as screw pine. Basmati also touches other senses. Its long, thin, elegant grains fluff up separately on cooking to look beautiful. There is only one place on earth that Basmati can be grown: the foothills of the Himalayas. Nurtured by the unique soil, nourished by the melting glaciers, and tended by dedicated farmers. The art of milling Basmati is an age-old tradition. Basmati has become a muse, an inspiration, one that made legends out of men. One such man is Mr. Moni Verma, a man who took the Basmati story from India and spread it around the world. Today, VT has a global presence with offices in India, Dubai, USA and UK, with manufacturing facilities in India and UK. VT has taken big strides. It is the second fastest growing FMCG company in the UK and has the capacities to mill over 250,000 tons of rice, with a global footprint that sells rice in over 50 countries. The VT Group today has a turnover of over 200 million euros, with over 70 million euros in India. While our beginnings might be with Basmati, today VT manufactures various kinds of rice from a diverse group of countries like India, Uruguay, Suriname, Guyana, Greece, Italy, Spain and Thailand. All of them processed and packaged under the VT umbrella. It is this diversity that is our competitive advantage. We can cater to all consumer choices and price points due to our unique ability to source relevant varieties from the cheapest cost centers. At VT, we know that to deliver the finest rice, it is how we procure and mill the paddy that will make a world of difference.
VT फाइन फूड 93 से बासमती के अच्छी गुणवत्ता के लिए जानी जाती है। सबसे बेस्ट क्वालिटी बाइंग करती है और प्रोसेस करके सबसे बेस्ट क्वालिटी बनाती है और सेल करती है।
To make sure that best of the best rice gets picked, tested, processed and packaged, the experienced experts from VT begin at the grassroots level itself.
बासमती की गुणवत्ता को अच्छा बनाने के लिए हम एग्रीकल्चर यूनिवर्सिटी से ब्रीडर सीड परचेज करते हैं और उसको हम सीधा किसान को उपलब्ध कराने में उसकी सहायता करते हैं। किसान को हम समय समय पर फसल को देखते हुए उसको जानकारी देते रहते हैं और जिस टाइम पर फसल पक जाती है तो उसका हम सैंपल लेके ने और किसान से जो भी मार्केट प्राइस होता है उसके ऊपर 10% एक्स्ट्रा हम किसान को देते हैं।
हमको इस तरह की मदद मिलती है जी तो हमको खेती करने में मज़ा आता है जी। इसमें उनका पूरा सहयोग है जी VT वालों का जी।
The best grains of Basmati are taken from the fields to the mandi, where the process of procurement begins. Once the top quality rice has been chosen and brought to the factory, stringent tests and sampling begins so that only the best grains go into the milling process. All samples are then taken to the pre-lab, where they are put through a series of quality tests through random sampling of paddy sacks. Various key factors determining the quality of basmati, like moisture content, admixture, broken, etc., are checked, and the material is accepted or rejected. If the material is accepted, the trucks are unloaded at the production bays. At this stage, a sample is taken from every paddy bag, and the collective sample is put through another round of quality benchmark tests at the processing lab. The material is then taken into milling.
फाउंडेशन और सर्टिफाइड सीड की बिजाई करने से बासमती की गुणवत्ता और पर एकड़ यील्ड की बढ़ोतरी होती है और किसानों को पर एकड़ रिकवरी जो होती है, आमदन उनकी अच्छी होती है और वापसी वो फिर बीटी फाइन फूड को ही मार्केट में बेचने के लिए प्राथमिकता देते हैं। उससे हमारी बासमती की प्योरिटी लेवल जो है वो मेंटेन रहती है और साल दर साल हम इस ढंग से अपनी क्वालिटी को मेंटेन किए हुए हैं।
The state-of-the-art production facility at VT is one of the best in the world, and the products speak for themselves. Every production process uses the best machinery, complying with global industry standards. Online quality testing ensures that the quality of grains and efficiency of conversion from paddy to rice is best in class. The final product to come out of production is again tested for admixture, length, chalky grains, etc. A rigorous batch coding ensures we can trace the product from every bag purchased by an end consumer to the paddy field from which the paddy was grown by the farmer. Every pack of rice sent to the market has a sample in storage for at least 3 months so that we can easily check and trace in case of any feedback or complaints.
हम चाहते हैं कि बीटी फाइन फूड सबसे अच्छी गुणवत्ता की बासमती अपने ग्राहकों को हमेशा सप्लाई करता रहे।
हम लगातार अच्छी गुणवत्ता वाला बासमती राइस तैयार करके विश्व के ग्राहकों की संतुष्टि के लिए प्रयत्नशील हैं।
वीटी की मदद से हम सबसे अच्छा धान उगा पाते हैं जी, और हमको पूरा गर्व है जी कि हमारा धान पूरे वर्ल्ड में जाता है जी।
This way, only the best and most fragrant basmati makes its way to the consumer's dining table. We consider ourselves custodians of basmati. There is only one crop a year. We develop it in partnership with farmers, guard it with our life, mill with care, age to maturity, and serve it with love. Every smile on every face of every satisfied customer has the seal of our incessant strive for perfection. And this is why we can proudly say that we produce the most extraordinary rice.